friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious Mexican cornbread made at home with lots of love. But for things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and fluffy cornbread, these are my ingredients. The non-stick baking cream that you already have on my channel, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, vanilla extract or vanilla paste, half a cup of unsalted butter, 4 room temperature eggs, 1 condensed milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 3 fresh corn. If you don't have fresh corn, you could use canned corn. So let's get started. Of course, first things first, getting ready my baking dish. I have my non-stick baking cream that you already have on the channel. Look at this, very easy to prepare, and let me tell you, with very few ingredients. I am going to cover my baking dish from the bottom, and then they're ready. Put them aside. And now I am ready to start getting all the corn out. Look at this. This is going to take time, but let me tell you, this Mexican cornbread comes out so fluffy, so delicious, crispy from the top. This really takes me back to my childhood. I remember when my mom used to make this amazing cornbread. Every time she would go in the kitchen, I would go right behind her and say, "Can I help you? Can I help you get the corn out of the corn husk? Can I help you?" And she would always say, "Wait, wait, wait." Once in a while, she would let me just add a little bit of the condensed milk on the top. Other than that, I was just watching and absorbing how my mom used to make this amazing cornbread at home. These are memories that really stayed with me. I remember my mom always making delicious desserts for us. And now, of course, I am making them for my family. Look how easy this is. 3 corn, taking all those kernels out, adding it to your blender, and look at the texture. Yes, we are going to blend for a couple minutes. After you blend it, it's going to get nice and liquidy. That's okay. I want to show you the texture. Look at this. Of course, we are going to sift our all-purpose flour right on the top. The baking powder, the pinch of salt, and we are going to mix completely. We're going to incorporate. I think this plate is too small. I'm going to transfer it to a bigger plate. And of course, adding my unsalted butter, half a cup of unsalted butter, vanilla paste, and then we are ready to incorporate. Incorporate the butter really good into the mixture. And now my baking dish, of course, they've been greased. My oven is already nice and hot, 350 Fahrenheit. They're going to go in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Every oven is different. When you see it golden brown from the top, you are ready to get it out of the oven and enjoy. When you take them out of the oven, let me tell you, your home is going to smell amazing. Put a little stick in the center and it comes out clean. You're ready to enjoy. And like we use the non-stick baking cream, the homemade non-stick baking cream, you are going to remove them very easily from this baking dish. Look at this. Pull a little bit and then you're ready to remove. Look how easy this was. Let me tell you, this cornbread is so fluffy, so delicious that every time I make it, I really enjoy it. I could start my day with a coffee and a slice of Mexican cornbread, or even end my day with this amazing cornbread. And of course, now I need to slice and show you the texture. Fluffy, moist. Oh my God. I can't wait to enjoy it. Look at this. Make it. Enjoy it with your beautiful family. Like, subscribe, and share, and be part of Cooking with Gloria. Look how moist this is. It's really fluffy, and the aroma that is coming out of this bread, just amazing. I am ready to taste, ready to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing Mexican cornbread. Easy to prepare with ingredients that you already have on your pantry. So let's see. Let me tell you, it's really fluffy. The aroma of the corn, just amazing. Excuse me. My God, so delicious. These flavors really transport me to my beautiful Mexico. Make it, enjoy it with your beautiful family. So delicious. The top is nice and crispy. The center, oh my gosh, is really fluffy. And the flavor of the corn and condensed milk, just perfection made at home. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. I will stay enjoying this amazing Mexican cornbread. See you soon. Bye bye.